Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you this very healthy, low calorie, nutrient dense weight loss salad recipe that will help you lose some IBs, pounds, calories, plus load your system with a lot of nutrients for utmost health. Yeah, talking of nutrients for utmost health, the first ingredient will be avocados. Avocados are superfood, yes. They contain a little bit of almost all the vitamins and minerals, all the amino fatty acids, a lot of healthy fats to help you burn bad fats, vitamin C. Like, this is very healthy for you. Your heart loves some avocado, your organs will love this avocado. Like, this is so nourishing, plus it helps you boost your fat burning process because healthy fats will help you foil your system to burn bad fats. So that is one avocado. The second ingredient I'll be using will be a green leafy vegetable. I'll be using two green leafy vegetables, and the first will be lettuce. So you can use kale, any green leafy vegetable of your choice. The first I'll be using will be lettuce. So you just need a handful of lettuce. Wash thoroughly. I've washed my ingredients already, so I don't take your time here. I washed it with water and vinegar. So you want to wash with water and vinegar so you really purify, no room for any bacteria. Very nourishing, very cleansing, and you need that chlorophyll for cleansing and fat burning from lettuce. So this is my handful of lettuce. I'll be using a handful of spinach as well. A lot of good chlorophyll, a lot of cleansing properties in these greens, very detoxifying, will help cleanse your system and leave it at that utmost level of fat burning, plus it will equally leave in a lot of good nutrients into your system. All the iron from the spinach, a lot of iron, calcium, so many nutrients. And the next ingredient, sorry, I'm a little bit too fast. I don't like my videos too lengthy. So I'll be adding in some source of antioxidant in here, so it's kind of a colorful plate. Yeah, a very colorful, nutrient dense plate. So I'll be getting some antioxidants from strawberries. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants we need to fight the effects of free radical damage we expose ourselves into every day from the toxins we eat from foods we don't know. This fortifies your system to fight the free radical damage effects causing sicknesses, diseases, fortifies your system, plus equally help leave your skin looking so beautiful, because the problem with skin issues is just from the effects of environmental free radicals as well. So this will leave your skin so healthy from the inside while nourishing your system, fortifying it to be very healthy against diseases. And this is equally fat burning as well. Berries are loaded with vitamin C, which help for fat burning, and the good acids in here. Like, this is so nourishing. So you need just like 6 berries, 4 to 6 berries, slice up into some sizes. And I love me some tomatoes. When it comes to detoxifying, cleansing your system, helping your system to burn fats, tomatoes are very good. Those good acids in tomatoes, but you want to wash and take out the seeds before you eat them. That is what I do, and I love them that way. Like, I've washed all the seeds away, and this is my one tomato slice for good for cleansing and weight loss. Another thing that spices up your salad plus very cleansing as well is onion. So I'll be using like a slice of onion, like 3/4 slice of a quarter size of onion, to help with cleansing as well, activate the system to burn fat. If you don't know, onions are very detoxifying, very cleansing. Yeah, so this is my quarter size of onion sliced, and that is it. Salad, I will be using pumpkin seeds instead of eggs. So instead of eggs, I used to use pumpkin seeds. Is a very healthy fat, or any nut of your choice, almond nuts, any nut you can just throw in here for protein. Protein is very good for weight loss as well, very nourishing as well, you know. So I need just a quarter cup of it and you're good. So this is my roasted pumpkin seeds. Remember, any nuts or seeds of your choice can go here. I'll be using these grapes as well, very nourishing for antioxidants as well. Like, this is a colorful, healthy plate we are about to come up with. And this is my dressing. For my dressing, I'll be using some yogurt. So this is plain Greek yogurt, any yogurt of your choice. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is very healthy. Yogurts are very healthy because they are fermented, so with less calories than using milk or heavy mayonnaise. So those are 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and I'll be adding a pinch of honey for taste. Just a little tiny little bit of honey to bring in that kind of sweetness, sourness to your dressing. And I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. Olive oil is healthy fats to help you burn bad fats as well. And I'll be adding a little pinch of lemon. This brings in flavor, adds the fat burning process as well. Plus, this is very good at bringing these ingredients together. It kinds of act like a vinegar in here. So this is 1 tablespoon of lemon and a pinch of salt with some black pepper. So just add black pepper to your taste, not a lot of it. So just like a tiny little half a teaspoon of black pepper will be just fine. Yeah, then you mix your dressing well together. This is very healthy, less calories. If you don't eat mayonnaise, like mayonnaise has a lot of calories, so if you're going for mayonnaise, it should be mayonnaise light, which is 60% less calories than the heavy mayonnaise. So I rather go for yogurt this time. Greek yogurt is fermented, so it burns it easily metabolizes very fast. Remember, this is for cleansing, weight loss. You don't want something that will add in calories here. So this dressing, it tastes so yummy. Like, you want to try this recipe and come back and tell me you love it so much. Very nice, very yummy in the mouth. Yeah. So this is the spinach in the bowl. I've added the lettuce, added the onion, added the tomato, added the avocado, added my grape, added the strawberries, and now I'm adding the pumpkin seeds. Remember, any seeds of your choice is just fine, just to bring in that protein in here. So we have healthy fats, protein, our little cup from the green leafy vegetable, fruits. Like, this is a plate of all nutrients, like all types of nutrients. Yeah, so you just need to serve up in a large plate and give your system a treat. Give your system a treat, nourish your system. Plus, this helps to cleanse your system from the inside out, leaves your system so active with a lot of nutrients, and help you lose some calories. And if you're looking to lose some weight, this is a very good dinner idea to help you shred several pounds eating this. Yeah, so this is it. Save up, enjoy yourself, and trust me, you will lose some of those calories. You will hardly have belly fat. Like, this crushes your belly fat for you. You can see my belly. I'm not skinny, but I don't have belly fat. And make sure you drink enough water so your system can accommodate. Yeah, water is the secret to losing weight. Tricky, but I will tell you why. Water helps you with digestion. Water prevents constipation by helping you digest your food, so there is no room for constipation. If you don't drink water, you will always be constipated and bloated. Yeah, so that is a secret. Drink as much as 2 liters or more of water a day, and trust me, you will be free from all constipation, bloating. You will easily burn your belly fat, lose calories, and live a very healthy life, and in shape as well. Yeah, so let me not take much of your time. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.